Ireland offers a clear, structured pathway from student visa to permanent residence and eventually citizenship. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to become a permanent resident in Ireland. Before that, if you know you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hurry up and then click on our subscribe button at College Migration. And also, please continue to like, to drop your comment, because it's very, very important to us. And also, don't forget to keep sharing so that more people can actually know about college migration and for them also to follow us on our study abroad journey and to get latest news from College Migration TV so that you will not be the only one to gain from it and they won't be left out too. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to become a permanent resident in Ireland. 1. Study. Enroll in a recognized institution and obtain a Stamp 2 visa. Work part-time during term plus 20 hours per week and full-time during holiday, and that's 40 hours per week. 2. Post-study work visa. That is after graduation, apply for a third-level graduate scheme, Stamp 1G, which allows you to remain in Ireland to work and seek employment. And bachelor's degree holder, that's 12 months, master's stroke PhD graduate, and that's 24 months. 3. Employment. Find a job meeting Ireland employment permit criteria. Apply for either critical skills employment permit, and that is for high demand sector like IT, healthcare, and engineering. Offers faster PR eligibility. 2. That's general employment permit. For other roles with a longer path to PR. 4. We have transition to Stamp 4. After working for 2 years on a critical skills permit or 5 years on a general employment permit, you can apply for Stamp 4. And Stamp 4 allows you to live and work in Ireland without needing an employment permit. 5. Permanent residence. After holding Stamp 4 for 5 years, you can apply for long-term residency, granting renewable 5 years residency rights. And after 5 years of legal residency, including study and work permits, you may be eligible for Irish citizenship by naturalization. And here are some key tips. Keep track of your residency permission and ensure no gap in visa renewals. 2. Stay updated in Ireland critical skills occupation list if considering high demand sectors. 3. Maintain good immigration records and meet all financial and tax obligations during your stay. With careful planning, Ireland Students to PR pathway is accessible and offers long-term benefits for career and personal growth. To know more about on how to do it and apply to any school in Ireland, visit our website at www.collegemigration.com. So that'll be all on today's episode from College Migration TV. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at College Migration, and that is by clicking on the subscribe button. And if you know that you do not like, comment, or share, please continue. We are begging that you continue to please like, drop your comments, because your comments are so important and geared to us. And also keep on sharing. Keep sharing, keep sharing. Don't get tired of sharing so that people can actually join you in knowing more about college migration. And also, if you know you've not followed us on our social, as usual, the way we do it over here, follow us on our social. That's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and then Twitter at College Migration. I still remain your beautiful, elegant, and gorgeous host, Favor Ifeanyi, popularly known as KOP. See you on the next episode. Do not go nowhere. Bye for now from College Migration.